Hi guys. I was trying to turn my camera on and it wouldn't turn on, and then it turned on. I received some more boxes. So the first one I'm going to open, the packaging says vegan formula is always cruelty free. This is my very first PR package from NYX. We have to do a thumbnail. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Oh, I freaking love NYX. So fresh, so new, and so you. Yes, how did you know? I can't believe they sent me a PR package. Okay, so here we have eye and body liquid eyeliner. What does that mean? Oh, is this a pink shade? Stop it. I cannot wait to do an eyeliner look with this. Oh, we have other eyeliners. They sent me different colors. They sent me gunmetal, black metal, teal metal, brown metal. They sent me a brush. I love when makeup brands send me brushes because I always need more. Luminous tinted skin serum, which is really good because summer's right around the corner and I definitely need tinted stuff. I don't think I want to wear like foundation every single time I go out, especially when it's like very humid. So I heard really good things about these. Got some lip glosses. I already have lip gloss on, so I can't show you guys, but this packaging is really cute. Wow. These are cheek serums. They're tinted as well. That's interesting. Never heard of that. Okay, so that is it for this box. I cannot wait to try these products out. Like, I really cannot wait. The next box. It's a little hot in here, don't you think, Rockefeller? It's getting hot in here. I want to take my clothes off. All right, so this next package is from Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh. This is a Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. What does that mean, instant turnaround? I don't really want to open it because I don't want to risk it opening, or I accidentally forget and open it and then I have to use it right away, and I don't really want to use it right away. Oh, is this a perfume? Oh my god, I want to sneeze. The Key to Attraction. This is so cute. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna spray some. Rockefeller, brace yourself. Wow, that smells really good. That smells really good. Let me just marinate a little bit. That was a little risky of me because if I didn't like it, I would have had to be with the scent for the rest of the day. We have, ooh, their packaging is really nice. Like, you see that? So this is a Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt Highlight. Let me open it. Ooh, this is really good because the bronzer is very subtle. Oh, this is so cute. This is a Pillow Talk Luxury Color Coated Eyeshadow Palette. Look, oh my god, look how cute. That's so cute. We have a mascara. I actually really like their mascara. I don't know if this is the same one, but they actually have a really good mascara. This is Reshape and Resize lip liner. We all love to resize. No, we all don't love to. Oh yeah, I already have this lip liner. I actually needed another one. I love it. Perfect, like nudish, pinkish. Then we have a Magic Serum Crystal Elixir. What is this? Crystal Elixir. Very interesting. I think this is for like makeup. Yeah. Well, it's kind of like skincare actually. Very cute, very nice. Here we have a Modern Matte long-lasting lipstick. Oh, this is the perfect nude. I have like 100 nudes, but I could just never get enough. They're all not really the same nude. They're just nude. So I'm sure my ladies understand. Okay, this is a nice like blush, like a blush highlight, a glowy blush. Oh my god, I've actually been I've been wanting this but I totally forgot about it until now. It's an Airbrush Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Micro Powder. So it's not really like it's not a foundation, but I heard it's really, really good on your skin. I'm hoping one of these packages is from Warby Parker. I love Warby Parker glasses, and I ordered like 3. Glam Glow? No way. I'm in their PR list too. Wow, this is like all new PR. So here we have Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. It has caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and narcissus. I don't know what that means. Not narcissists, just narcissists. This is an eye cream. And then this is a exfoliating treatment. What? I can't see. Am I freaking blind? This is an exfoliating treatment. Very nice, very nice. This is from Dermalogica. It's so little though. They usually send like really big packages. This is a melting moisture mask. Extreme moisture for dry skin. I have dry skin. I have what is it? I have normal to combination skin. And then this next package is from DP Hue. So this is Goodbye Dullness. They have a shampoo and a conditioner to get rid of your dullness in your hair, build up. It's brightening. It has like vitamin C. The conditioner is sulfate free. The shampoo is sulfate free. It says it maintains blonde and highlighted hair, which is really good. So I'm going to try this next time I wash my hair. Wow, this is a brightening powder. So this helps brighten blonde and highlighted hair by removing minerals, metals, chlorine, and product buildup. Apply from roots to ends and work through 5 minutes. Rinse and follow with the gentle brightening conditioner. I will definitely keep you guys updated on this because that's very interesting. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 9, 10 packages that I have. This first package that I'm going to open, oh, I already opened it. It's from Almay, and I actually have their lashes. What is it? Their Length and Lift Mascara. It's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, and it's ophthalmologist tested. And then it says it's enriched with a blend of plant-based waxes, extends, lifts, and nourishes lashes. And I didn't really clean up my mascara, but I have the shade, I believe it's dark brown or just brown on my eyelashes right now. And then the next package I'm going to open is from Glow Recipe. So this is their Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. They always send me so many packages, and I'm here for it because I love their concept. Like, I love it. This is their Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I stopped using it because I was trying out other brands, and then I think I still have it in my medicine cabinet in the bathroom, but I think I hesitated to use that one again because months have passed by and I don't know if it's safe to use it, because you guys know like a lot of these products have expiration dates. This says 6 months, so you have to, by the time you open it, you have to use it within 6 months because then it expires. Sometimes you can use it like a month extra, but usually try to keep it within this time. So the next package is from FedEx, and every time I get a FedEx package, I'm always like, what could it be? Can I open it? Oh my god, I can't open it. Ooh, this is Paula's Choice Skincare Beauty Begins with Truth. I like that. I cannot wait to try this out. So this is the product, and it's Omega Plus Complex Cleansing Balm. And this has metal foam seed oil, omega 9, which smooths and prevents moisture loss. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a cleanser, duh, cleansing balm. So you're supposed to use it like this. Like, so first you use the cleanser, which is this, and then you use the toner or a toner, exfoliant, treatment, and then a moisturizer. So I would probably double cleanse. I would probably use this to take off my makeup, or if I've had a long day and I don't have makeup on, I would probably still use this to get rid of all like the residue and, you know, my sunscreen, because I've been wearing sunscreen daily. But I'll try it out alone just to see how it is. Next product. Go play with that. Ooh. Actually, I can't show you guys that right now, so never mind. So sorry, top secret. This next box is kind of big. It's light. Stop it. It's Ardell. You guys know I've been into like wearing false eyelashes. Not all the time, but I like using them and playing around with them. So this is Ardell Beauty. They have lashes. Ooh, these are aqua lashes. Oh, no, this is kind of messy. So these are aqua lashes. Ooh, no adhesive needed. Dip and apply. What do you mean dip and apply? Oh, it's water activated? No way. It says it right there. Water activated lash band. Here lets you know, like, first measure it, you know, on your eyelid to see if you need to trim it. Always trim your lashes, especially if you have smaller eyes, because if you don't trim it, it's just going to look too much, too big, too fake. And then the second step is to have like a little puddle of water, you know, like on a plate or something, and dip the lash band, and then you just apply. Promise I will use these and I will let you know how I like them, so make sure you subscribe so you guys can tune in. But I'm actually like very impressed and very excited. So this box is a little big, but it's not heavy. So this is a cute little book bag. It's from Pixie Beauty. Oh my god, this is so cute. So let me take this out. So this is the inside of the book bag. It's so cute. They included some skincare products. They included oh no, this is a body wash. It has glycolic acid and aloe vera. It's an exfoliating body cleanser. And then I have a body peel. I'm actually very excited to try this. Resurfacing concentrate. And the body lotion. I always love when I get body care stuff. This is a really nice book bag. I think I want to keep it, or I might give it to my sisters. So this next box is small. So this next one came in this box. Healthy skin rooted in farm grown ingredients. These are a lot of like skincare packages that I get. This is Pharmacy. Pharmacy has really good products. I actually love their cleansing balm. It's really good. So this product has hyaluronic acid plumping serum. This is called Feeling Good, and it's a plumping serum. I really like, I'm excited to try this. So this next package is from Laura Mercier. So I got a tinted moisturizer. I love tinted moisturizers. Oh, I don't think this is my shade. And then we have a silicone-free primer. It's their Pure Canvas Primer. Oh, I have this already and I love it. I always need a restock. They sent me their translucent setting powder, which I really like. The sponge that I don't really use. And then a caviar stick eye color. Yeah, 2 of them. And that's all they sent. This next package, oh, so cute, it's from Laneige. Well, it's time to take the lip loving relationship to the next level. We're launching something to give you, We're launching something to give your lips the love they deserve. Get ready to hydrate, noticeably smooth, and boost visible fullness, because you're about to fall head over heels for this new daily lip treatment. Oh, this is so cute. They gave me a mask. Oh, I need to wash that mask. Oh my god, this is a lip treatment. I'm going to put it on right now. I have a little bit of lip balm. I actually have Laneige lip sleeping mask. I know it says sleeping, but I use it on the daily. What is this? Oh, this is for the mask, you know, so you can be cool. This is such cute packaging. Can you see? So how do you do this? Why is there? No way. Oh my goodness, this is so smart. So, wait, hold on. Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, so this little guy right here is a little lip applicator. What? So you go like that, and then you apply it. All right, guys, so that is it. Oh no, I have one more box. Ugh. My lips feel really good, and they smell good. Oof. What is this? Oh, so cute. For a minute, I thought Tiffany & Company sent me a package. So this is from Fresh. I love this packaging. So simple, not messy. So they sent me a soy face cleanser. And then these are Fresh's Sugar Passion Fruit Hydrating Lip Balm and their Lychee Hydrating Lip Balm. They have really good lip balms as well. I'm gonna open it for you guys. Look how cute and look how little. Let me smell it. It smells good. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this vlog, please leave me a comment down below. I appreciate any feedback. Like any feedback, I really do appreciate. Just be nice, you know, don't be mean, don't be rude. Thank you so much. Subscribe, please, and turn the notification bell button. That way you're notified every time I upload, because if you don't hit that bell button, you won't be notified. And I've been uploading consistently these past 2 weeks, so yes, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. The next vlog, I'll be trying a lot of these new products, so I'll give you guys an update.